Want to see exactly how DSPy transforms your signature into a structured system message for the language model? You'll watch as ChatAdapter takes a basic question-to-answer signature and converts it into the full system prompt, complete with field definitions, response markers, and task instructions, all before any API call is made.
Import DSPy. Signature equals DSPy, signature, question answer. System message equals DSPy, ChatAdapter, format system message, signature. Print system message.
This demonstrates DSPy's signature-based prompt generation, where a simple input-output declaration is converted into a structured system message. The code shows how a basic signature like question-answer gets transformed into a formatted template with explicit field markers and response instructions. The key aspect is the automatic creation of boilerplate instructions from a minimal signature definition. The pattern works through the adapter's formatting system, which interprets the abstract signature and produces concrete instructions for the model. When format system message is called, it generates a standardized template that includes field definitions, response structure, and task objectives, all derived from the signature's input-output specification. This replaces manual prompt construction with a programmatic approach. This approach matters because it eliminates repetitive prompt engineering for common patterns. By defining just the input-output relationship, you get a complete system message with proper field markers and response formatting. The benefit is reduced manual effort for basic prompt structures, though it requires using DSPy's specific formatting conventions. Let's break it down line by line.
Import DSPy.
This imports DSPy, the framework we'll use to define and format AI interaction signatures. It provides the signature, class, and ChatAdapter needed to convert our simple question-answer pattern into a system message.
Signature equals DSPy, signature, question answer.
This defines a static input-output signature for the language model, declaring that the model should take a question and return an answer. The signature serves as a template for generating the system message in the next line.
System message equals DSPy, ChatAdapter, format system message, signature.
This converts the function signature into a formatted system message using DSPy's ChatAdapter. It transforms the declarative question-answer signature into a string format suitable for chat-based model interaction.
Print system message.
Prints the formatted system message to verify the signature-to-prompt conversion. This confirms the exact prompt structure before it would be sent to a language model. DSPy signature conversion. The DSPy signature defines a static type contract for question-answer fields, while ChatAdapter format system message translates that signature into a structured prompt template. The output is purely a formatted string describing field names and types, with no runtime behavior or dynamic adaptation. This establishes a predictable, type-safe interface between your program structure and the language model's expected input format.
The signature that names nothing describes all possible answers.